Hello, we're back and we're on a boat, motherfucker, on a boat. I'm on a boat. I'm on a boat. Take a good haul. Look at the motherfucking boat. And he's writing in a book like a nerd. Use computers. There's much more simple. Oh. And he hasn't even got a fucking window. Poor bastard. Alright. In autumn, in Portin, Porot. Oh, I had to stop singing. Oh. Portin, 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 Portin. Hello there, mateys. I am a fucking ninja.
And then all will be well. Are you sure about that? Of course.
When?
Have I ever led you astray? Nah.
Have I ever led you astray?
Faith, my friend. You'll see. Well, well. Seems our esteemed guest has deigned to grace us with his presence. You might want to head back to your quarters. Top deck's no place for tender parnell. So I kidding?
They get to beat the shit out of him.
Let's see how funny you find this.
Oh! Let's go then! Let's go then! Oh, let's go! Oh, bitch! Oh! Come on then! Bitch, come on!
Call this off. If the captain sees us.
The hell with the captain. And the hell with you, Bill. Who served you on anyway?
Your mum's. Yeah! Bitch! Come on then.
We're ready to go again if you are. This is unwise. Why's that?
Yeah.
I'm afraid of you.
Oh, let's go.
But you should do.
Right in the bollocks. Come on then. This is easy. You just have blood. Oh shit. You're gonna use a sword on me, huh? Come on then. My weapon.
What's the meaning of this?
Bitch.
Captain, explain yourself at once, Mr. Kenway.
His fault. We were simply passing the time with a bit of sport, Captain.
How about you pass the time by doing your goddamn jobs instead?
I'm sorry.
I wasn't aware I was paying you to loll about.
I'm sorry. I will
A
fuck your
word,
day
please,
off.
Mr. Kenway.
No!
Oh, I nearly forgot.
Bitch.
There's a knife back.
Yeah, motherfucker.
I don't care for you, Mr. Kenway.
Oh,
I've had nothing but trouble since you came aboard.
Your
fuck you.
problems have nothing to do with me.
Try
I
it.
beg your pardon?
You're a poor leader, ill-tempered and cruel, and it's clear your crew has no respect for you.
Oh, fuck you. I have no respect for you, you cunt.
I don't want to argue. In fact, I need a favor.
Dickhead. No man.
Oh, this is rich.
Yeah.
I suspect some of the men intend to mutiny.
So?
Really? What a surprise.
As I cannot trust any of them, I am compelled to turn to you.
And why should I help?
Because if they do intend to betray, I'm the only hope you have of reaching America alive. Well, what will it be?
I'd rather die.
If what you say is true, what other choice do I have?
Dying and killing him.
Let me be clear.
I will fuck
Should
you
you
up.
ever dare to insult or threaten me again,
I will
I'll
kill
not
you.
hesitate but to cut off your head myself.
Bitch.
Are we understood? Excellent.
Shitting yourself. You shit yourself.
Good day.
Good day, Governor. Good day. Now let's go beat the crap out of these lot again. Return to your cabin. End of the day. At the end of the day, there's still a lot to do. Fine. Let's go right again. The fuck? Are you looking at? That's what I thought. Dead end. Dead end. Dead end. Let's go right. Back to my writing. I'm so tired. Alright then. I see. Yes, I can definitely read that. Yes. Most definitely. If they try a mutiny, I'll kill every single one of them. No bother, mate. No bother. I'm on a boat. I'm on a boat. Day 28. Atlantic Ocean. I want to go to America and become an assassin.
Mr. Kenway.
Yes,
Captain?
Captain.
Whatever they're up to, I believe it's coming to a head.
Oh no. Alright then, let's go kill them all. I'm on a boat. I'm on a boat. Take a good hard look at the motherfucking boat. I'm gonna stop swearing, because it's not nice to the...
Claims we're not provisioned for such luxuries.
It's not right you should feast on land and wine.
I don't like him.
Quiet! Here he comes. Make like you're working.
You there. I have some questions for you.
That's nice, but I ain't got time to gossip.
That's nice.
Anything useful to share anyway. You want information? Try the cook or the doctor. Everyone's always chatting them up.
You there. Yes. Fuck. Fudge. Cook. Cookity cook. Hello, cook.
Won't be serving for another couple hours. Some biscuits in the barrel if you're desperate.
Actually, I've come with a question.
What's that?
Have any of the men been acting strange recently?
Oh yes.
Anything that struck you as out of the ordinary?
The boys cry about the rations, as if there's anything I can do about it. Beyond that, I ain't heard much. My advice, go find James. His ears are always open.
Okay, I'll go
Where might
find...
I find him?
Right behind you, actually. He's the one sitting on the barrel.
Motherfucker. But I've just talked to him. Motherfudging little dastard. Oh no, this guy.
James. Aye.
Aye.
Nathan Kenway. Pleased to meet you.
I know who you are.
I know.
I was hoping you could answer some questions.
Alright then.
I figured as much, but not here. Follow me.
Follow me.
Go
Alright.
what you want to know.
Have you seen or heard anything out of the ordinary since we left port? Anything that gives cause for concern?
Some of the men have been gathering at night to meet the deck. I've only caught bits of their conversations, so I couldn't say for certain what they're up to. But I suspect it bodes ill.
Is it a mutiny they're planning?
All I know is they've little love for the captain. Mills has been trying to talk him down, but there's only so much one man can do.
Yes.
Thank you for the information.
Indubitably yes.
I only wish to see us reach the colonies alive.
Alright then. Alrighty then. Look for clues instead. Okay. Alright, I will. Fair enough. Oh,
Evening,
my
sir.
man's a dustman. He wears a
How are
dustman's
things?
that. Oh, God.
Calm and quiet. Just the way I like it.
Ah, that's what she said. I'm sorry.
What brings you topside?
No, I'm not allowed to say that. No.
Thought I'd wander
No.
a bit. Stretch my legs. That's all.
Stretch
Take care
my
where you
legs,
tread.
that's
Deck
all.
hides all manner of danger in the dark.
Oh, God.
What was that?
Someone fell overboard. Man overboard.
Someone's throwing cargo overboard.
But who?
Why?
But why? But why? That's like a posh version. But why? Hey, those truckers gotta go over to start the sheep. Come on.
He's cut our rations again. Claims we're not proficient.
Ba-da-dun. Ba-da-dun. Alright then. Guys, I'm gonna have to end the episode here, and I'll see you later. Oh shit!